Hi everyone, it's Alec here, and today I'm showing you my multi-tool. It's a Leatherman Sidekick, and I got it as a birthday present about 5 years ago. I've been using it a lot, so yeah, I want to share my thoughts. As you can see, it still looks nice. So from the outside there is no signs of rust, just a bit of dirt over here. But on the inside, it's got a bit rusty. Probably I'll just oil it and it will work fine. But keep in mind, if you're using it in the wet conditions, probably I brought it in a salty water, in a sea, and that's why it got a bit rusty here. But if you dry it as soon as possible, that will be just fine. I think just put it in on a heater or in a pocket, inside pocket where it's warm, so it dries fast, and you won't have these right inside your multi-tool as I do. As you can see, inside these clips are broken, and I don't think it's my fault. Just over the years they became loose, and at some point, maybe because I was like working too hard with it, it fell off. It doesn't affect the spring on the pliers. It still works nice and smoothly, as you can see, but you have these little bit flimsy position when you folding the knife. Then let's look over here. We have the main tool, let's say the most useful probably, is this pliers. It is so narrow, but the edges on it are pretty sharp, so you can have a good hold on some rusty nail, remove it from wood. Then we have this nice wire cutter. I'll show you with this red wire, nice and easy. Next thing, yeah, this clip, you can hold it on the outside or inside of your pocket. I used it a lot. Then the main blades is this sharp knife. I haven't sharpened it for years, but it's still like pretty dangerous, especially the tip of the knife. So yeah, don't give it to kids by any means. I used it to cut wood. I used it as a kitchen knife. So yeah, still enjoying this, especially these locks. You see, it holds like without until you press it, it will be holding without any chance to go inside. So yeah, just press this lock and then you can close it. Next thing is this wood saw. Yeah, it looks like a toy, but believe me, it cuts through the wood like a butter. So yeah, I used it to make some toys for my 7-year-old kid. He enjoys to find some stick in the woods and just make a sword or something that looks like a sword out of it. So yeah, I'm giving it to my kid, and he's trying to make something by his own hands, which is cool. Next, is the inside tools. And on the inside, in one hand or one side, we have screwdrivers. One is flat, and other is a cross type, whatever you call it. This one I haven't found useful because not many knot heads are that wide, but this one fits almost everywhere, like if you have that type of knot head. On the other side, these tools, we have 3 in a row. Yep. A little bit hard to open, yeah, but I think it was the way it was from the day I was given it. Nice rope cutter, small blade. I found it useful for sharpening pencils. Yeah, still so sharp. Again, pretty dangerous if you give it to a kid. So yeah, pay attention to it. Next we have a ruler on this side with centimeters and inches, and on the tip it was a narrow flat screwdriver, but I broke it. I'm not sure if it's my fault or not. Maybe I put too much pressure on it, but I think this metal was a little bit too fragile for the rusty nut I was trying to remove. On the other side of the ruler, we have metal or wooden file. I haven't used it much, but the edges are sharp. So yeah, maybe you'll find it useful. And the can opener. Yep, that's pretty much it. In conclusion, I would say it was a great gift. I enjoyed it very much. I found so many occasions when I don't have a proper tool, but I have this one in hand, and it works pretty good in all these situations. So if you're looking for something to carry in your pocket, like on a daily basis, probably it's too heavy. But if you're carrying it in a backpack, or you want to have some nice tool in your car, that's a good option. So here you go, Leatherman Sidekick. Enjoyed it a lot. See you.